Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the emulator and hardware. Open Ppsspp and load your PES ISO to confirm it runs. This proves the ROM is valid. Next, pair or plug both controllers, then map Player 1 controls so standard buttons work. Once done, switch to the Controls menu and enable mappings for Controller 2. This ensures both devices register simultaneously. Make sure input polling is responsive, because accurate input detection prevents lag and binds the local multiplayer experience together. Now configure multiplayer-specific settings so both controllers control separate players. In Ppsspp, set each controller to its own player slot. Assign the second device to pad 2. Once done, fine-tune dead zones and vibration so analog sticks don't drift and accidental inputs are avoided. Also, lower frame limiter latency and enable fast memory only if stable. This reduces input lag. Make sure to test with a quick kick or pass in-game to confirm each controller moves its assigned player correctly. Finally, start a local match and assign teams. Select local match in PES, then assign each controller to a player. Once done, verify in the team selection screen that inputs move the correct cursors. If buttons conflict or both controllers move the same player, reopen controls and explicitly map each controller to separate pads. Changes take effect immediately. If a controller becomes unresponsive, restart Ppsspp or repair the device. This usually fixes driver or Bluetooth hiccups and restores multiplayer functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.